What's up, YouTube? This is B-Side Investing. This is our 1K to 100K challenge. I have to get used to saying that now. 100K, 100K, 100K. All right. So, don't be alarmed. It's the ice, like 59, almost 6K. You're like, wow, how did you jump so much in one day? Well, that's because since I added the deposit, it's a phantom number right now, but the money should be available for Wednesday. So they just put it in there for now. So it's not really almost 6K. It's most likely it's around 5K right now. So once I get that 1,000 in cash on Wednesday, I will make some trades and we will get into maybe 3 or 4 positions. So yeah. So what I did today was I bought TGHI today, March 15, as you can see. I bought 9 shares. I just bought it from the referral. It was 25 Canadian dollars, so I could afford 9 shares. Thank you. And right, so I bought it at a price of $260. It was floating around $260 all day, so yeah, I bought it around 11 a.m., so not much to it. That's the only activity here for today, but on Wednesday, in the next video, you'll see more stocks. I already told you which one I'm going to buy if you watch the previous videos, so you have an idea of what I'm going to purchase. So yeah, let's see. So today we're up 3%, $164. So, and let's see. So the biggest mover today was Hut, I believe. Actually, let's just do bingo first. We've been always doing this. 3% on the day, and still have 99 shares. Up. Okay, so now we're moving above to 20%. So slowly going up. That's what we want to see. The price moment. I think it hit 10K at $10. Did it? Almost. Okay, 977. That's not bad. There is a news about bingo. It is going to present at several upcoming investor conference. So here's one, the Oppenheimer 31st Annual Healthcare Conference. That's tomorrow to Thursday. The Maxim Group's Emerging Growth Conference, 17th to 19th. Okay, so this is kind of intersecting itself. Right. So you already know that from this conference, we're going to see more gains. Yeah, so this week it's going to be good for bingo. We already know what the company does, and like, if you don't know by now, come on, man, do your own research. All right, I think it's getting kind of repetitive with these companies. Let's see. So let's get into Hive. Right, with the Bitcoin price today, since I made that video last night, it did drop from 60 all the way to 54. So we did have some sell-off. I believe it was some big investors that hodled about 2K Bitcoin plus. So that's fine. I mean, I don't really care about that. Our goal is not to get to 100K right away. It's within this year, so we have time. We want steady growth. Go up a little bit, come down. Go up, come down. Go up, come down. So yeah. Not too worried about it this moment, so yeah. Let's see. Hive down on, I think it was down because Ethereum was also down to about $1,700 in the low 1700s, and mining profitability is still good, as you can see, 35 and 11 respectively. And yeah, let's get into Hive here, $1,700 total value, looking good. 355 shares at what price? Here we go, 255, and we are up almost 90%. Which we're down. It's okay. We'll get up. No worries. No worries. Let's see. Hut.to. Hut surprisingly was up 8%. Yeah, more than 8, but yeah, surprisingly, because Bitcoin was down. And of course, you know, Bitfarm as well. You can see it's up to 4%. Not Galaxy, Mara and Riot were also up today. You can see 6% here, and Riot was also about 7%. Oh no, it dropped. Okay, yeah, okay, 1%. Ooh, okay, that's a video right there. So, right, I'm gonna do a video on this right away. That should be interesting. I'm not invested in Riot, as you know, so I'm gonna have to, yeah, we'll see. Those miners are really good. Going back to Hut. So Hut did update their investors presentation on their website. So I'm going to make a video on that and go through each slide. And that should make a good update video. And Bitfarm, let's see. So Bitfarm, right, engages core IR for investor relation, 15K per month, and 1 year for 1 year period. I think that was what it was. Let's see. Yeah, $15,000 US per month, initial term of 12 months, thereafter extended of mutual agreement or terminated early. So I'm expecting high class, or at least up to date news release from them. All right, well, let's just go back here. So Bitfarm still don't have as big of a position, so I might add more position here in Bitfarm, and because we're already up 113%, and I might bring down the percentage and increase the quantity of shares. What's the price? 660. Okay, it's pretty high. I bought it at 309, and almost more than double. Okay, yeah, that's the best strategy. Dollar average cost this thing. I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna increase my position. You already know Bitfarms is very undervalued in terms of market cap to hash rate, and yeah, it's grossly undervalued. I haven't updated this, but it's really similar. It hasn't gone up much, but you still see highest hash rate among publicly traded companies, and Hut 8 as well. It's pretty undervalued, and so Mara is going to get an update this maybe in 15 days, and they will have about 1.4 exahash in their hash power, and they will become the top dog, and rightly so, deserving of their high market cap. So Mara is a really good company to invest in. Actually, all up to here, yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, these are really good companies to invest in. Argo is really good. They have huge things coming with their investment in Texas, West Texas. That 200 megawatt data center, and DigiHost, small company. We're just gonna do right here if this thing complies. There we go. Okay. DigiHost, they do announce how much hodling or how much Bitcoin they're producing. It's about 35 right now. So once they use this money, the broker should be done. Is it done? No, it's still an announcement. Okay. This should be completed by Thursday. It seems that smaller companies, it takes them a while, like a few days longer than bigger companies. It's probably just because of resources. I don't know. But we should expect a older 4-digit house to increase their hash rate from 184. I want to say maybe double it. Yeah. To 350 to 400 petahash, and that'll give them another boost of maybe 10 to 20%. And I want them to keep playing this game of announce that news, boost, and then once the share price goes up, I want them to do another private placement, which they've already taken the initiative here. They're being proactive because they know that they need funds to get new miners. The difficulty of mining is going to increase from here on out, and the difficulty to acquire mining rigs is also pretty high because of the chip shortage and limited supplies and the interest of mining. So you need to just go in fast. You can't be like hot, how like you're a newer company, so it's more like you just gotta build up that huge capital, like just get it from anywhere and just invest in the mining rigs. Yeah, that's pretty much what they're doing anyway. So yeah, I hope they have deals coming up quick because Bitcoin price is going to keep going up. So yeah, and mining rigs are going to be more scarce, I think, at least, because difficulty increases. Hash rate also increases pretty much up, moves along with it. And right, this video is going way too long. Okay, so DJHI, we've established a base position for now. I just wanted to buy without looking at the cost. But come Wednesday, we should be able to get in under $3, hopefully. So what I'm having a change of mind change of heart. I'm gonna add more Bitfarm. With that $1,000, I'm gonna add more Bitfarm, DJHI, and I'm gonna add a lower size position in Ascensus Surgical, Immersion Corp, and there's another one in here, CCIV. That's going to be difficult because it's $28 per share. GoEV is a really good. If you didn't look, you guys should check out their vehicles. It's really, really I think it's affordable and practical. Really, really practical. It's looking good. I might add position in here, but solid 100% down. What I'm gonna do is Immersion, TJHI, let's see, Ascensus, and Bitfarm. It's only right that I add Bitfarm because I keep saying it's undervalued. I know it's undervalued, so why not just add more position? And when I get the next $1,000, which is in a month, then I will look into adding more positions. But for now, yeah, I'm not gonna add Tattoo Chef. They're up today. Yeah, that one's tough to. That is really tough to gauge because it's short, and then Palantir is a really good company. Neo, I already have Neo. I think I'm breaking even right now, but yeah, MP Materials. If you've been watching this channel, you know that we've been in MP Materials. I bought Tattoo Chef. I bought Immersion, I think, here. Hyliion. Yeah, I don't want to get into Hyliion. Fuel Cell. Right. Okay. So Wednesday is the next video. And I will buy these most definitely on Wednesday when I get the funds, and I don't think it'll be before the market close, so it's most likely going to be around this time, 4 to 6 p.m. release of the videos. So yeah, and let's see, it's recovering 56. Okay, it's not bad. Once again, this will get updated in about 2 weeks, and Q1 will be over, and then I will keep updating when they bring out more news about product purchase, mining purchase, lower cost of electricity, purchase of land or data center, partnerships with energy companies, and yeah, so this is going to be a really good beginning for this 100K challenge. I'm really excited about it. Like it's not showing in my voice, but like I've been doing some research on the side. I'm really excited, and I will do the videos on the companies that I said that I'm buying. DigiHost, you can check the videos. I've done a few videos on DigiHost already, and at some point I was up 100. I think I was up. Yeah, about at around 220 to 13 average, and I was up all the way to 5, so more than 150. So yeah, these are smaller companies, they do the private placement, it's gonna go down, and then they haven't bought any mining rigs, I don't think. No. Yeah, check out that video, and please feel free to like and subscribe. This is going to be a huge undertaking. It's a 100K challenge. From here it's 20x, so we're looking at 20x from 5K, and we will be putting in $1,000 every month to make it more realistic, so we can take advantage of compound interest. Okay, if you don't know compound interest, please look it up. But if you're an investor, you know about compound interest. Investing once, making just one small principal investment in the beginning, and not investing throughout your journey, adding in more funds, is not going to make more money than compounding, where you keep adding money monthly on a monthly basis. It's going to be exponentially bigger. So yeah, and definitely press that like button and subscribe. The next video on this will be on Wednesday. This is getting way too big, way too long. Please feel free to do your own research. This is not financial advice. You already know, guys, I always keep saying do your own DD, because no one is going to give you that conviction unless you do your own research. You're not going to get conviction by watching YouTube videos. You're going to have to fact check everything they say and go over the financials and all that stuff, and always look at your risk tolerance before investing. I want you guys to make money, but within your own risk tolerance. I don't want you guys to go broke investing in the stock market. Invest wisely and safely, please. Alright, so yeah, so thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Okay, have a good one.